So as I said before, there are two pencils in Prismacolor range. I got them, they are getting really small, so I've got to buy some more. So this one is raspberry black or black raspberry, and the other one is black grape. So black grape, I'm going to use it here so you can see on the corner. So black grape is purplish black, and black raspberry is like a brownish black. So these two are excellent for warming up the dark shadows. So in here I'm going to use the black grape to go over, and it will smooth it out as well, because on pastel matte, when you put down polychromos or other dry pencils and then go over it with waxier pencils like a Prisma or Luminance, it will fill up all those gaps really nicely, and will smooth out everything. It is actually darkening this area the way that I want it to be darkened. So this one is black grape, which is like a purplish. It's not black. It's very dark purple. So it's really nice and makes things warm. And as I said before, this is really useful for human portraits as well, in the depth of the darkness of the human skin. These are really good, these two colors, depending on whether it is that you want a cool dark or a slightly warmer darkness. And when red becomes dark in the shadow, it becomes mostly purple. So I just went over it, and it actually changes the color so nicely, gives it a warmness. I'm going to put some in here. I think I did before as well, but just to finish this off.